NTRCA is proud to present Golden Hammer Awards for Outstanding Commercial Projects to Supreme Roofing. A Golden Hammer Award for Outstanding Commercial Project goes to Supreme Roofing for their work on the DFW Terminal A roof replacement. This landmark project of 4,200 squares represents one of the largest and most complex roofing undertakings at Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. Work was executed in tightly controlled phases as airport operations continued for thousands of passengers daily. It required precise scheduling, strict safety protocols, and continuous coordination with airport officials with multiple trades. Crews worked across extensive roof sections while managing material flow, staging, and installation in a highly regulated environment. The result is a durable, high-performance roofing system designed to support one of the busiest transportation hubs in the country. Special thanks to team members Mark Bapp, Emmanuel Becerra, Jared Conley, Jesus Estrada, Bayron Gonzalez, Corey Drennan, Ismail Andretti, Nathan Rockwell with C-Plast, and David Johnson with Johnson Sales Associates. Congratulations to the outstanding commercial project winners.